Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to actual measuring the tablet screen size. Okay, as you can see on the table now, I have this Kindle, Amazon Fire HD8 and the iPad 4. Okay, and we will put the screen size on each tablet on the screen here. So this spec is basically I got from the Google search. Okay, now let's begin to measuring. Okay, to measure the actual screen size, you need to measuring from the corner of the screen to another corner of the screen, so you will got the actual screen size. So to begin with, now I'm measuring this Kindle with the corner of the screen to another corner of the screen. So it's about 6 inch, you can see here. From the corner to the corner, about 6 inch. And for the Fire HD8, from the corner to the corner, it's about 8 inch. Okay, and for the iPad 4, from the corner of the screen to another corner, it's about 9.7 inch. Okay, and for the additional, I'm measuring my iPhone screen. It's about 6 point. From the corner to the corner, it's about 6.5 inch. Okay, 6.5. I hope you can see it's number 6 here, and then 5 is here. Okay. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can measuring the tablet screen size by your own using your ruler. Okay, and now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.